Okay, now that we know how to get to our all-powerful tool, the question is now, what do we do with it once we're there? We're going to start our answer to that by looking at the command types available in the configuration mode. Alright, the first one is the global command. The second is called a sub-command or sub-commands. Alright, let me illustrate what this means. A global command is going to take effect over the entire router. Sub-commands will not take effect over the entire router, only a piece or a subset of that configuration. So let me give you an example. If I type in here router space rip, that is a global command. What I'm doing is I'm turning rip on as a routing protocol on the entire router. I'm going to do that at this prompt, the hostname config number sign. As soon as I type this in and hit enter, I am going to enter into an option or availability of subcommands, and my prompt is going to change to hostname config / router, because I'm in the subsection called router of the configuration file, and the number sign again. So any command that I issue here will now be a subcommand to this global command. Time to put these commands into action. Let's move back into our router. Alright, again, I've moved up to the privileged exec mode, and here I'm going to type in configure from my terminal. Alright, now I'm in the configuration mode. As we said before, I can issue the command router space rip at this point. Now I've activated rip on the router in a global sense, and anything that I have an option here of a command is a subcommand. Let me lengthen this box for you so you can see them all. I have within rip auto summary, default metric, distance, distribute list, and so on as optional subcommands. Alright? Let me illustrate something for you at this point. Let's say that I have my global commands here. Alright, what I want to understand is when I leave this global area and I move in to the area where my subcommands exist in here, specifically for router rip, how do I move back out of this area to go to into another area? Because for sure, there are many levels of subcommands off of this global structure that exist. And what I need to be able to do is go in there, make configuration changes, come back out to the global level so that I can go into some other portion of the configuration that has subcommands as well. Because what you're going to find is I can also type in here line console 0. Now when I do that, that is a global command that is going to change my prompt to hostname config -- line